Hello students, today's class question number 8. Here question number 8. In this question, which of the following numbers are prime? We know that the definition of prime number, if any number is divisible by 1 and itself, 1 and only itself, then the number is prime number, otherwise it will be composite number. Okay, so let's check. A आपके पास is 23, B is 51, B is 51, C 37, and D is 26. Listen students, 51 is a composite number and 26 is a composite number because 51 is divided by 3, 1 and 51. 26 is divided by 2, 1 and 26. So 26 and 51 both are composite number. Only 23. 23 is a prime number, 37 is a prime number. So 23 prime number and 51 composite. ये हमारे पास here this number is a composite number. Okay students. This is the composite number. Composite number 37 is a prime number and 26 is also a composite number. So in this question we have to write down the separately the prime and composite number less than हमें जो है इनमें से हमें इन नंबर्स को लिखना था only 23 and 37. A portion is a prime number, C is a prime number. Now two students have a query. Master Harsh Kumar asked you a question.
सर जो आपने पीछे का वर्क कराया था उसके लिए कितने पेज छोड़े?
अभी आप पेज मत छोड़िए, सीधे काम करिए, ठीक है? पेज जो है आगे उस काम को हम कंटिन्यू करवा देंगे.
ओके सर.
ओके सर. मास्टर अर्नव गोयल ask you a question.
सर आप क्वेश्चन 8 दोबारा समझा दीजिए.
8 दोबारा सुनाना. ओके. Here 4 numbers. First 23, second 51, third 37, and fourth 26. If any number have only two prime factors, first one and itself, then it will be a prime number. If it has more than two factors, then 51 have factor 1, 3, 51, 3 factors. So this is a composite number. 26 have a 1, 2 is also a factor, and 26 also a factor. 3 factors. So this is a composite number. Only 23 and 37 is a prime number. तो हमें केवल इसमें चूज करना है और इसे छाट के लिखना है. Now next question number 9. Question number 9. In 9 question, write 7 consecutive composite number less than 100. 7 consecutive हमारे पास composite number less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. तो consecutive हमारे पास होने चाहिए. तो आइए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. Here 7 consecutive composite numbers. So first let consecutive 90, and next is 91, next is 92, next is 93, next 94, 95, and 96 are composite number, consecutive composite number, composite number, composite number. So these are consecutive composite number less than 100. Less than 100, 90 is also composite number, 91 is also composite number, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So these are consecutive composite number which is less than 100. Is that clear? Next one is question number 10. Question number 10. In the question 10, express each of the following number as the sum of three odd prime. Three odd prime. So here A is a number 21. 21 written in the form of three odd prime. Three odd prime like here 3 plus 7 plus 11. This is a prime number. This is also prime number. This is also prime number. Odd number. It is also odd number. It is also odd number. So odd number, 3 is odd number. 3 is a prime number. 7 is also odd number. 7 is a prime number. 11 is also odd number. 11 is also a prime number. If we add 3 plus 7 plus 8, get the value 21. So express 21 in form of odd prime number. Now next one is B. B here, B is the 31. 31 in the 31, 3 plus 11 plus 17. 3 is also odd number, 11 is also odd number, and 17 is also odd number. But 3 is also prime number, 11 is also prime number, 17 is also a prime number. So these three numbers are odd and prime. If we add these three numbers and get value 31. C and D both are homework. C and D homework. 2 questions in classwork and 2 questions in your homework. So फर्स्ट नंबर 21, 31 आप इसे चेक करें, चेक करके आप जो है इसे लिखें. Here's one query. Master Harsh, ask your question.
सर एक बार और समझा दीजिए.
एक बार और समझा दीजिए. Okay, express 21 into 3 odd prime number. 3 odd prime number के फॉर्म में 21 को एक्सप्रेस करना. तो फर्स्ट प्राइम नंबर ऑड एक 3 है, उसके जस्ट बाद हमने 7 लिया, फिर 11 लिया, ताकि इन तीनों को ऐड करने पर 21 आना चाहिए. और ये तीनों नंबर जो है हमारे ऑड भी होने चाहिए और प्राइम नंबर भी होने चाहिए. हमने जो है उनको सेलेक्ट करके लिखा और ये नंबर हमारा 21 के इक्वल आ रहा है. सेम एज 31, 3 plus 11 plus 17. 3 is odd and prime, 11 is also odd and prime, and 17 is also odd and prime. So in homework you may write 31 and 60. You may write 53 and 61. Okay. Next one, Vaibhav Pandey, ask your question.
Sir, you can send in group.
Yes. Speak loudly, beta. I can't hear you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And one more query. Rushil Sharma, ask your question.
सर आपने होमवर्क क्या दिया है?
Homework. In 4 portions, A and B are in classwork copy, and C and D are homework. Okay. Now Aryan Goyal, Aryan Deol, ask your question.
क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गए तुम्हें?
हाँ
मैं जो दिए हैं
हाँ
कराए
हाँ.
तो सी और डी करना.
Now in the question 10, next question number 11. Question 11. in 11th question, write 5 pairs of prime number less than 20. Write 5 pairs of prime number less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. That means to say 5 pairs. Pair means 2 numbers, 2 prime numbers जिनको हमें sum करने पर get number is 5 या divisible by 5. So here first 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 is a prime number, 3 is also prime number. If we add 2 plus 3 then get 5. It is divisible by 5. ये जो है this is the divisible by 5. तो first pair is 2 plus 3. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे in bracket 2 comma 3. 5 ये divisible by 5. Next number is 7 plus 13. Next 7 plus 13. 7 is a prime number. 13 is also prime number. If we add 7 plus 13, then we get 20. 20 it is divisible by 5. Our pair is 7, 13. 7, 13 is 2 prime numbers pairs. And next one is 3 plus 17. 3 plus 17. 3 is also prime number. 17 is also prime number. Get 20. It is divisible by 5. Pair is 3, 17. If our numbers have unit place 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. अभी नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. तो अभी हम केवल आपको क्वेश्चन की रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा करना है. 3 plus 17. Next one is 2 plus 13. 2 plus 13. 2 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. 2 plus 13 it is a 15. It is divisible by this is the 2 and 13 and divisible by 5. 5 is divisible by 5. 15 is divisible by 5 and one more 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 is a prime number. 10 is also a prime number. 10 is also composite number. It is divisible by 5. 10 is divisible by 5. So 5 pairs. This is the first, second, third, fourth, 5. So here is the first answer. Here is second. Here is third. Here is fourth. And here is fifth. These are the 5 prime numbers pair whose sum is divisible by 5. Query Aryan Deol. Ask your question.
अब पेज नंबर क्या है सर बुक का?
Page number. I have not a book. I have a soft copy in digital format.
ओके सर.
Next, Rusil Sharma, ask your question.
सर ये पूरा क्वेश्चन है या फिर सर आंसर?
This is a solution. Okay.
सर ये 3 plus 17 is equal to 20 है, ये भी सर आंसर है.
Pair means the 2 number. Pair means 2 number. Okay. So pair means yani 2, 3 is a pair. 7, 13 is a pair. 3 or 17 is a pair. 2, 13 is pair. 5 or 5 is a pair. Pair means जोड़ा, दो.
सर इसमें क्वेश्चन में सर पेयर बनाने हैं तो सर इसके जो पीछे की चीजें हैं सर वो भी क्वेश्चन है.
Yes बेटा.
तो सर ये 2 plus 13 is equal to 15 सर ये ब्लैक पेन से लिखना है.
No sir, no बेटा. In blue pen.
ओके सर.
हाँ. ये गंधर्व चिकारा. Ask your question. गंधर्व, ask your question.
सर बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं आ रहा.
बोर्ड मैं इसे जो है इसकी इमेज आपको भेज दूंगा बेटा. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। हमें जो है इसमें भरना है ब्लैंक प्लेस को। फर्स्ट, अ नंबर व्हिच हैज ओनली टू फैक्टर इज कॉल्ड a number which has only two factor is called a prime number. One and itself, any number have only two factor, one and itself, it is called a prime number. ये क्या होगा? A is a prime number. A prime number. A is a prime number. B, a number which has more than two factors is called a, more than two factor is called a composite number. Composite number. Okay, now C. In C, one neither dash not, one is not a prime number and not a composite number. Smallest prime number is a 2. Okay, so one is not a prime number, first prime number, and nor composite. तो जो सी ऑप्शन में ब्लैंक प्लेस पर पहले हम प्राइम भरेंगे, प्राइम नंबर एंड कंपोजिट नंबर। डी portion, the smallest prime number is, the smallest prime number is 2. The smallest prime number is 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay, the smallest composite number is, smallest composite number is 4. Smallest composite number is 4, because 1 is not a prime and not a composite number. Smallest prime number is 2 and 3 is also prime number, 4 is a composite number. Last but not least, the smallest even number is, smallest even number, F. Yes, 2. 2 is the smallest even number. 2 is the smallest even number. Your exercise completed. Master Yatharth Beast, ask your question, beta. Yatharth Beast, are you hear me? Yatharth Beast. Okay. Now next.
सर
Yes, beta.
सर 20, 15 और 10 सर इवन सर प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं होते।
Yes.
सर 20, 15 and 10 are not prime numbers.
20.
20, 15 and 10 are not prime numbers.
Yes, 20, 15 and 10 are not a prime number. These three numbers are a composite number, beta.
So sir, no sir, you are telling that they are prime numbers now.
Okay. Next, ये हर्ष कुमार, ask your question.
सर ये जो आपने फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स करा रखे हैं 12 क्वेश्चन का, सर ये मैंने नोटबुक में कर लिया सर, ये इसको बुक में भी करना है?
नहीं, only notebook.
ओके सर।
Next is test for divisibility. Next topic, test for divisibility. Test for divisibility of a number.
सर ये दूसरे उससे करना है, दूसरे
Yes.
पेज से? सर ये नई एक्सरसाइज है?
Yes, this is new exercise, new
सर कौन
topic.
सी एक्सरसाइज?
First, students, please listen. How to, students, how we know this number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10, 11 and so on. First, इसके टेस्ट को हम चेक करेंगे. First, divisibility of number 1, divisibility of 10. 10 की divisibility. divisibility of 10. If a number has 0 in the ones place, then it has divisible by 10. If a number has 0 in the ones place, if a 0 in the ones place, 0 is a ones place. If 0 in the ones place, it is divisible by 10. Example, first 10, 20, 30, 40 as so on. Unit place पर 0 है, this number is divisible by 10. If unit place is 0, it is divisible by 10. Next, divisibility of 5. Divisibility of 5. Divisibility of 5, a number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place. Ones place. So if 0 and 5 in the ones place, तो ones place पे 0 and 5, if 0 and 5 or 5 and word suitable नहीं है, if 0 or 5 in ones place, it is divisible by 5. Example, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 as so on. Divisibility test of 5. If unit place is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. Few queries. Gandharv Chikara, ask your question.
Sir, board is not clear.
इमेज आपको भेज दूंगा बेटा मैं. रुशिल शर्मा, ask your question.
सर ये आपने डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 10 लिखा है, इसके नीचे क्या लिखा है सर आपने?
If
हेलो
and Astos Kumar Yadav, ask your question.
ये जो 10th क्वेश्चन में ये जो आपने 7 + 11 लिखा है उसके ऊपर क्या है सर?
7 plus
10th क्वेश्चन में ए
10 question A. O for odd, P for prime. Now, next one. Next one, divisibility by 2. Divisibility by divisibility by 2. अब here first this is also by divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has only of the digit unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in ones place. If 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are ones place. Example, 2, 10, 16, 18, etc. Divisibility by 2 a number is divisible by 2 if it has only half the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. It is divisible by 2. Now students,
Yes.
next one is divisibility by listen students, divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. If the number of the digit is the multiple of 3. If the number of digit is multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. या एक काम ये if the sum of the digit, क्या लिखेंगे? If sum of digits, if the sum of digits divisible by 3, it will be divisible by 3. Example 21, 27 and 12. Here 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Here 2 plus 7 equal to 9. And here 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 is divisible by 3. 9 is also divisible by 3. And 3 is also divisible by 3. So 21, 27, 12 are divisible by 3. The sum of the numbers is divisible by 3. 8 will be divisible by 3.
3.
Next, divisibility by 6. By 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it will be divisible by 6. If a number divisible by 2 and 6, 8, 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6. For example, 6, 12, 18, 24, 16, etc. If a number is divisible by 2 and 6, then it will be divisible by 6. Okay?
Yes, sir.
One more thing, divisibility by 4. By 4. Here, listen students, a number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last 2 digits in ones and tens is divisible by 4. According to this concept, if a number has 3 or more digit, एक नंबर के पास 3 या 3 से ज्यादा डिजिट है, तो 2 डिजिट last in this here last 2 digit is divisible by 4, it will be divisible by 4. Example, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. This is the test of few queries from students. Rushil Sharma, ask your question. Yes.
सर बोर्ड
Rushil?
क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है सर, बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा।
Okay, I will send the image in your group. And Ayush Pandey, ask your question. Ayush Pandey.
सर
Yes.
हेलो सर।
हाँ,
सर ये
yes.
जो आप लिखवा रहे हैं
हाँ,
सर, इसको ऊपर सेंड करेंगे ग्रुप पे?
yes.
सर हमारा सर पीछे वाला हुआ नहीं था ना, आप इरेज कर दिए थे।
Yes, बेटा. Aryan Deol, ask your question.
सर आप ये वाला वर्क ग्रुप पे सेंड कर देना।
हाँ हाँ बेटा, I will send.
सर आपका कैमरा क्लियर नहीं आ रहा।
ओके, मैं अभी इसको भेज दूंगा, आपको पहुंच जाएगा आपके पास.
Excuse me, sir.
Now time is over.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, बेटा.
Sir, can you tell the divisibility by 7?
Divisibility by
Sir, 7.
7 is a prime number. Students, 7 is a prime number. So, if a number is divisible by 7, यानी हम उसमें 7 से डिवाइड करें, if it is divisible, then this is a test of divisibility. Only in your
Okay, sir.
syllabus 2, 3, 6, 4, 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, students.